help us heal. When we feel lost and the world seems so heavy, there's a hand to hold to help us find our way. Love isn't just laughter, it's about healing too. Together we'll find happiness, me and